Hi guys, it's Melissa with MaverickRx.
And Dr. Chris Smith.
We're doing planks today.
First, from this position, we're going to go ahead, engage the lower core first, always. So we're going here, we're squeezing nice and tight in that transverse abdominis. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have her flex her glutes. Nice and tight. There you go. Now, from here, what do we typically see? Let's show some examples of what is bad. Sometimes the athlete won't go ahead and they won't flex their abdominal region, so then they'll actually sink. Okay? Sometimes they'll go ahead and they'll flex it so tight they round out their lower back. That's not going to work, okay? We really want to work the core properly. So from here, we engage the lower abdominals first, then we engage the glutes. By doing that, yes, that's the proper firing.
Think about.
So, but from here, now let's go ahead, let's take it to the next step. Let's go ahead now, put your toes down, and now I'm going to have you, come up just like that. So again, what are we doing? We're engaging that lower core, we're flexing those glutes, good. That's the proper positioning we need. We need the proper arch.